I'll guide you through the exact steps to jump from Cash App's basic $2,500 limit to the $7,500 weekly cap, so you can move your money without the roadblocks. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, we have to understand that Cash App doesn't just give out high limits to everyone. To reach that $7,500 weekly sending tier, you have to move past the basic status and enter the identity vault. This isn't just about linked cards anymore. It's about federal KYC compliance. To start, tap your profile icon, go to Security and Privacy, and look for the Verify section. If you see Verified, you're already partway there. But to hit the $7,500 max, you may need to provide a second layer of documentation if you haven't updated your info. To trigger the limit increase, you'll need to input your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. But here is the latest update. For the $7,500 jump, Cash App's AI now frequently triggers a live selfie verification and may ask for a photo of an unexpired government ID, like a driver's license or passport. Make sure you are in a well-lit room when you do this, as the AI will instantly deny blurry photos, which can lock your limits for 30 days. While verification is the door, your trust score is the key. Cash App's new algorithm looks at 3 specific behaviors to decide if you're ready for $7,500. 1. The direct deposit boost. Users who receive at least $300 in monthly direct deposits are almost always prioritized for higher limits. 2. The linked account depth. Linking a verified bank account through Plaid carries more weight than just linking a debit card. It shows the AI that you have a deep-rooted financial history. And 3. The Bitcoin or Investing tab. Enabling the Bitcoin or Investing tab signals to Cash App that you are a verified financial entity, which often triggers an automatic limit review. If you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone moving high volumes of cash, you should consider switching to a business profile. You often unlock unlimited receiving limits instantly by going to Profile, then Edit Profile, then tap Switch to a business account. While personal accounts are capped, business accounts are built for scale. Just remember, in exchange for these massive limits, Cash App charges a 2.75% processing fee on every payment you receive. For many, that's a small price to pay for the ability to move thousands of dollars without a hitch. If you submitted your info and your limit is still stuck at $2,500, check for the out-of-state trap. If your GPS shows you're in a different state than the address on your ID, the AI may flag your verification as pending indefinitely. Even a missing middle initial can cause a 48-hour delay. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.